How to turn off sensitive content on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off sensitive content on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there under what you see options, there you see the option labeled as content preferences. So simply tap on it. And now here inside the content preferences, you'll see the option labeled as sensitive content. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, just set the option to less, and here with that you'll be able to see less sensitive content on Instagram, which will reduce the sensitive content to its extent. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.